Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nicole, and as you can see by today's title, I am doing something a little bit different than fashion and lifestyle. So today I am showing you how I got this brand new MacBook 2020 without no Apple Card and no credit. Stay tuned.
I'm outside in an AMG.
So in this day and age, there are so many ways to get everything. So today I want to talk about buy now, pay later. There are a bunch of different apps that does this buy now, pay later thing, right? There's names such as Klarna, Afterpay, Sezzle, QuadPay. So what these apps do is put in a website and basically finance anything within the amount of money they give you into 4 payments. Dope, right? I use Klarna. I got my MacBook in January or February, not sure, but I used the Klarna app and I used the Klarna app and I didn't get it directly from Apple. I got it from someone who sells their own things through this app called Mercari. I went into the Klarna app. I searched in the website Mercari. It popped up. Click it. I type into the search on Mercari the MacBook or whatever I'm looking for, because I also bought my camera that I'm filming with right now from there. And so the MacBook, I believe it was $700 and something, but it's a MacBook Air 2020. With the Klarna app, I'm already inside of the app. So what I did was the amount it came up to, I put it in the Klarna app. Klarna gives you this like one-time card. So it gives you the full credit card number. What is it for? 16-digit number with expiration and with the 3-digit security code on the back. It's like generated with the amount that you put in. So I'm only paying 1/4 of that payment, which was probably 200 and something, almost 300 and something. I don't know. I will put a screenshot somewhere. And that is way better than paying full price. Apple dish out $1,000. I was done in 2 months because it's the payments is broken down every 2 weeks. So I paid on the 7th. My next payment would be on the 21st and so on. And I will show you guys how to do that. So the first thing you do is download the Klarna app in the App Store. That is how it looks. Or you can also use QuadPay, because QuadPay you can also put in any website. Now the other shop now, pay later apps that I mentioned, such as Afterpay and Sezzle, they have stores that they work with, so you can only use those stores. But QuadPay and Klarna, you can put in any website. I have used this a ton of times. The more you use it, the higher limit they give you. Now, after you open the Klarna app, I'm not sure if you have to sign up or something. I believe so, but I'm already signed up. So I just go home and it tells you to search into the URL. So what I put into the URL is Mercari. And Mercari, you can buy literally anything from perfume to clothes to cameras, laptops, Game Boys, like they have it all. So now I'm in Mercari And Mercari has its own app as well. And you just type in MacBook. And in my case, I was looking for a brand new one, MacBook 2020. Okay. A few popped up. You can also filter in the price, because if you type in MacBook, it will show MacBook chargers, you know, accessories. So if you type in the price, you know, like minimum 500 or something like that, to, you know, it will filter out the little $12 accessories. So now that we are in here, I see a MacBook Air 2020 for $670. Okay, the color is silver. Max storage capacity is 256 gigabytes. It says MacBook, the description says MacBook Air 2020, great condition, comes with box and charger, price firm. It's coming from Missouri. Okay, so we're just going to add that in our carts and then go to our cart, press buy now. Okay, so it comes up to, the item price is $670. Shipping fee, $0, tax, $40.20. So the total is $710.20, right? So we're gonna press the pay K at the bottom. It's pink. And you just press create one-time card. $710.20. Continue. So they give you the option of 4 payments every 2 weeks of $177.55, or pay over time 6 monthly payments of $118.37. And they charge entrance on the 6 months. I never got approved for the 6 months. I don't know why. I don't ask any questions. I'll just do the 4 payments of $177. So you just want to press continue, and they will create a one-time card where you will then put into your own payment card. When it asks for your card, that's the card that Klarna gives you. You want to put in the card information that they give you. Sometimes that automatically pops up because you're in the app. And then you just check out, and I have my MacBook. And this isn't the one with the M1 chip or anything. I didn't even know anything about that. And this is a real MacBook Air. So like I said before, you can use Klarna or QuadPay, because you can put in any website. You guys can use these apps for anything. You can use them for your flights, your plane tickets. I have done it. I am financing a trip for somewhere next year, and all thanks to these apps. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT.